Hello TV lovers, this is a new tutorial for the Samsung 4K TVs about how to reset this TV when you have problems, how to make an update if you have problems, and I will explain what update I did and what problems I had. I promised to you in the previous video, and now I'm continuing this short video of the Samsung TVs because you know, the TVs are not anymore like they used to be. Our smart TVs are with a lot of function, with YouTube, with Facebook, with internet. You can install all kinds of software now on these TVs, of course from the special program on your TV, in this example the App Store. So now guys, sometimes these TVs have some functions that don't work because they are loaded with application, and as long as you load a lot of application on this TV, it will slow up your TV. This is on phones, this is on everything, on any electronic. First thing, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to force restart this TV. This is not the reset function that you will find it in menu, because it will erase you all you have in the TV. So you got to force restart. For example, sometimes it didn't work to connect to the Wi-Fi. You got to use the smart remote control, but you have a ER LED in the front. It's Bluetooth and ER. It has two possibilities sending the signal. So you got to hold 7 to 10 seconds the power button to that sensor in the front, and hold it, and you will see the power LED booting. Now when you will see the smart TV logo, you know you successfully forced restarted your TV. So another problem guys is that it doesn't connect to any network. I'm saying these problems appear randomly, I don't know when. So when you try to connect to your local Wi-Fi network and it doesn't work, you got to go back, go in the reset network. This function is relatively new. So to get this function, I must tell to you to make the software update. From half a year from now, I don't want to make the updates unless it's necessary. If you see auto update is unchecked. Now I'm in the hard drive, I have a movie, I have a M2TS, and the MKV had these problems. I didn't succeed to find the files. The files were inside the hard drive, the physical files, yeah, in the notebook, in the PC, you managed to find them, but the TV didn't find these files. I think myself that it's a bigger file to 60-70 gigs. Yeah, I know I'm saying sometimes gigs instead of gigabytes, or producer instead of manufacturer. This is my bad habit, I can't get rid of them, so you know me. I thought these problems were to the M2TS files or the MKV files, but the problem was because the TV made the auto update without me knowing, and this was my problem. So I made another update and these problems disappeared. Software updates, update now, and it's checking for update. You can even look for the update. You can put it on the USB and make the update manually. But on the server I made the update, and I succeed with this update in discovering those video files on the USB hard drive or the stick, and my problem disappeared. I stand with some fear because I don't want to decrease the resolution. You know, we have a video. So now guys, let's see after update. Okay, the wireless connection is successful. If you don't achieve to connect to your local router, or you have some problems, go to reset network. This box will appear after update. So I made 2 resets of the network because it didn't find my mobile hotspot. So this is kind of a small problem now with this software update. I meaning this was before, but they didn't improve this network problem. So after 2 times resetting the Wi-Fi network, I was forced restarting the TV once again because it didn't connect to the YouTube. So some problems there are. So I want to tell you guys, don't make updates unless it's necessary. If these things work, if your TVs work, don't do updates. In our days, I'm seeing that I'm telling producer, the manufacturers don't give 100% capability and work and dedication to these problems to solve them. They do all fast, and repairing the problem very fast, you really don't repair them. So I have some folks that tell me I talk a lot in the videos. Well, I talk a lot, and I tell to people not to skip this video. I appeal to you not to skip the videos because there are important details I will tell you in the video. So for example, in the Bluetooth headphones to the Samsung TVs, some folks in the secret menu skipped the video, broke down their TV, and they accuse me. They are one of 2 of maximum 3 guys who did this. Thousands, and I'm not overacting, and I'm not talking nonsense. Thousands of people repaired and did unblock that hidden feature and didn't break down their TVs because they respect what I tell in the video. So this a lot of talk, not small talk, because I don't do small talk, is for a reason. It's for a reason to listen and watch all the video, because I give a lot of details in the video. Skipping one detail can do the difference between failure and success. Please try to understand this reason. So let's talk furthermore for this update, guys. I didn't saw anything new to the TV, any unblock feature. Oh yeah, and an important thing, if you unblock the features, for example, in giving the music to the TV, using your TV as I don't know, a Bluetooth speaker. If you want to send from your phone to the TV using your TV as a Bluetooth speaker, when you unblock that feature, the update will reblock and disable your feature. You got to go again in the secret menu, unblock that feature, and it will work. Be careful, guys, in the secret menu. Be very, very careful. You can change a thing very rapidly and damage your TV, and we are not responsible for this. Make pictures or videotape what you do, and this is the way to success. So in the YouTube, the searching of the YouTube, it's still rubbish. It's still the damn numbers you can see there. It's not a quick way to tap. You got to use a Bluetooth keyboard. See, we have in our videos, for those of you who don't know, we have a small Bluetooth keyboard, very fun, very useful for these TVs to search in the YouTube, or using this search function here. It's best to use a Bluetooth keyboard, small keyboard for your TV. Guys, this is pretty much it for the tutorial. We will do tutorials. Please send us comments. Please send us comments with what problems you have with the TV, besides some TVs for connecting Bluetooth headphones to the TV. Some TVs doesn't have HID. The Bluetooth HID is that hardware Bluetooth inside your TV, and they can succeed pairing the Bluetooth headphones with the TV, and that is the reason. So if you have real problems and solvable problems, first of all, please write in the comments and ask us to do video with this 4K TVs. We have a lot of models of 4K TVs, and together we can solve a lot of problems. And if you have ideas, please send us the comments, the ideas in the comment section. We will try to read as many comments and respond as we can. I know some of you wanted to make the video with the parking surveillance camera, and we will do it with the DVR camera. when we'll have the GPS receiver. It's the GPS receiver where you will attach it to the windshield and then attach the DVR camera to it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel guys, and push that like button. Thank you, have a great day guys, see you, bye.